Identify all of your adventure rack hardware. You can lay it out in a neat way so everything's easy to find. Then you want to pre-install hardware on the brackets. It makes things a lot easier once you take it over to the car. Then you want to pre-install your latches on the rack. Then you want to install any additional hardware that might go on the rack. These components will accept the gas lift shocks. And then you want to thread the heims all the way in to the bottom them out, and then bring them back out 5 full turns so that everything aligns properly. You may need to adjust a bit. Then you want to go over to the vehicle. You want to remove some of the plastics as seen here. Loosen the shock tower bolts. You don't have to take it all the way out, you just need to loosen it. Then you need to remove this bed screw. Nut and bolt pops off. There should be a washer there as well. Then you want to place the spacer. Run the bolt back through, and then apply the nut at the bottom. From there, you want to place a nut and bolt and washer on the cage mounts. You don't have to tighten it, just finger tight for now. And this is what it looks like in place. And you want to go over to the other side and do the same thing.
I like it.
Then you want to bring the rack over to the vehicle and align in place. It should line up if you've turned those heim joints out 5 turns. And you want to put your spacers in. It should just drop right in, and then you want to throw a bolt in there, keep it in place, and you can put your nut on the end, and then repeat on the other side. Check to make sure everything aligns properly before tightening everything down. You can put your gas lift shocks on. And now we're just going to test to make sure everything is aligned. Looks good to me. From here, you can adjust as needed, but for the most part, it's a pretty quick and easy install. Just take a look at all your hardware, make sure you have everything, and then follow the steps in the video, and it should take you no more than an hour.